Hello everybody, it's me, Luki Sifrin, and we are back with another Art Out of the Box video. Last time I had to draw paper planes for standing on one leg. I fell over, added a bit of colour, and I cannot draw paper planes to save my life. But let's hope the Art Out of the Box video this time will be a bit kinder. So we're going to pick a subject card. It's going to tell me what I'm drawing, and a technique card which is going to tell me how to draw it. So let's see what panic, chaos and fun we are going to be up to today. It is subject: trading places. Switch things up. Draw a bed on your in the living room, or a picnic in the bathroom. What if your house were in a tree, or your school was in a whale? Okay, that's strange. That I could take to anywhere, really. Ooh, I could draw a Pokemon in a digital world. That would be cool.
Ash stuck in a Pokeball. Ow!
Tom Nook in a museum.
Yes. Well, the owl friend being friends with Bugses.
Yes. Technique though. This is going to be the catch, isn't it? What is it?
What is it?
Poodle hair. Draw using only curves.
That's a neat one.
Okay.
You could do meatballs and spaghetti. So it's mainly meatballs and then it's got a tiny bit of spaghetti.
Yes. That would be fun. But again, the thing is with that though, I can't paint the spaghetti. Paint? Why do I keep saying paint?
Bob Ross.
Oh heck! Batter's watching Bob Ross.
You can't draw straight lines, you don't have to.
Yeah.
You can do squiggles round and round for the meatball and then squiggles for the spaghetti.
Maybe.
Spaghetti.
Though,
Your imagination!
Yeah. This is going to be fun. What can I draw? Ooh. Let me think. Ooh. I've got an idea. Okay. So, see if everyone can guess what I'm drawing. So, if I were to come up here and flip the lid over so you can see what I'm doing. Oh, don't sit on the box, Foxo. Bad. No. Yeah, okay. Right, so let's see. Okay. Okay, so that is blapping at me.
Bamboozles. And plus you're singing the pizza song. I'm confused. Bugs are going crazy.
Yeah, huh? I'm a little bit crazy, okay?
Yeah.
A little bit. Just a little. Not a lot, but just a little. Okay. So that is a red one. And do another one, but blue this time. I'm blue, ah wah 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 wah. Wah, 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 wah. Anyway, we're getting there. It's not going to be great because I'm kind of drawing this side on, but one can try. Do 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 do. I don't know why I'm singing in this video a lot. Why am I singing? But anyway. Okay. So. Right. Okay. So. Now. Okay, I'm going to draw squiggly lines here. There's my little horizon. So, that's my horizon. So, drawing using only curves. So, that's going to be my horizon. Now I need curves. So, curves. Curves. Drawing using only curves. Curves. And curves, and curves, and curves, and curves, and curves, and squigglies. Okay. And then next up, a little bit of red in here. So slight curves there. And then squiggles, and squiggles. And then little wiggles just coming out of here. And then just take the side of it just to flick inwards like that. Okay, right. And then I'm going to do the same. I like that effect, so I'm going to... I could be going way off here, but hang on. And I'm gonna do more curves up like that. Okay, and you probably see where I'm going with this already. Lego in the sky. Flying Lego. Lego's supposed to be on the ground.
Don't bonk your head on the Lego, that'll hurt.
Yeah. So that counts as switching it up, right?
What if the Lego goes into the propellers of a plane?
Exactly.
Danger.
Now I've got to do the yellows. And then go do the squiggles along the side. Yeah, this is going well okay already. Next up, just do some curves with the side of the colour. Colours! Okay. And now I need to sort of add the blues in for the sea. So slight curves coming in that way. More slight curves, and there we go. So that's what I've got so far. Then, because I want it to be a C, I should probably do some squigglies down here at the bottom. Just to add that little bit of, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing now at this point. And at the top here, just a little bit of squiggles, just to shape things up a bit. So I'm aware that this video's sort of dragging on a bit now.
But I like your use of colour. I know I said that last time, but I mean it.
You like my use of bad language?
No,
There we go. Lego in the sky at sunset by the sea.
Is that its full
Switching it
name?
up. Yes, the full name.
Yeah.
I did some art, damn it.
Out of the box.
Yes, and it was out of a box too.
Here we are with news and jokes and to and fro and do's and don'ts. Come with me and live a little brand new Luke and Luke. Hooray! It's everybody's favourite internet fluffs, Luke and Luke.